Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Graybeard Garage. My name is Matt, and today we're on our property and we're doing some roof coating on the building here. We've had some leaks, so we're just going to reseal the seams. Now this thing was built with horizontal roof panels instead of vertical, right? So vertical would go this way and horizontal goes this way. Just right, think of the horizon. So it goes this way instead of this way. So we're going to reseal those overlaps, and we're going to reseal where the screws penetrate the roof, and hopefully that will eliminate our leaks. So we have this stuff, this Rust-Oleum Elastomeric paint, and it rolls on pretty well. So we're going to go ahead and get that on here. I've got a 14-foot ladder, nice big long roller. I'll show you where I'm at up here. All right, so now you can see I started rolling on, and really the only places I need to paint technically are where I've painted in the past. And you can see the spots on the screws. Each screw, see those little lines are all from the separate screws. And then these panels overlap here. So really, technically, that's all I need to hit are the screw heads and those seams. And I think that's what I'm gonna work on again. I started rolling the whole thing here, but I don't think that's necessary. So I think we're going to continue on how I did it last time. Things I do for content. Something else to think about is I may not have enough paint if I do the whole panel. You know what I mean? Yeah. So again, it might make more sense just to paint the wherever the roof gets penetrated. So hopefully that'll do it. All right, I think I need to readjust my ladder. Did we get this really good? All right. And if you're ever wondering if Starlink is worth it, yes it is, 100%. I don't know if I can get up and... Mind numbing. So it's gonna get even warmer, which is fine. Not complaining. Better than being freezing. And we couldn't do this if it was cold. Woo, look, bird's eye view. Okay, so this side's done. Now we gotta work on this side. But I think I'm gonna try and crawl up this way to this ridge vent and see if I can't seal those screws again. And because they might be leaking there too. I don't really like that thought, because this aluminum is so thin, and I got to make sure I'm crawling up on a truss. Let's see what happens. Moving it on. Just moving. Shake moving. Tree limbs and debris from, I don't know, I think 2 or 3 different hurricanes. But we just have been so busy keeping the front acre clean that we've never gotten around to that back acre. But we really do need to get some time back there. Good grief, these leaves are ridiculous. That. Lovely. Almost done. All right, I think that's it. Hopefully it's not the ridge cap that's the issue. It very well could be. May have to take that off and just put a piece of metal over it. All right. Ooh. Well, there you go. 32 minutes of watching paint dry. I guess we'll have to trim that video down about 6 minutes of watching paint dry. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching paint dry. It's pretty exciting stuff. Hopefully when you see this video, it's like 6 minutes and not 40 minutes of me painting. So thanks for checking us out again on Graybeard Garage. A little project here up on the property to try and do maintenance and stop leaks. So thanks for checking us out as always. If you want some homework, I got some great homework for you. On your way out the door, hit that like, share, and subscribe. I think we're over 2,100 subscribers now, so pretty impressive. Thanks everyone for who's a subscriber. It means a lot to me. I don't think I ever thought I'd get past 5 or 6, so I'd say we're doing pretty good. So guys, thanks for checking us out here on Graybeard Garage. Remember, you can do anything if you put your mind to it. See you next time. Have a good one.
Have a good one.